how to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can add the wireless Wi-Fi network manually on your Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get into this video. For that, click on the search icon, then open up Control Panel, search for Control Panel, open it up. Here, if you cannot find all of these options, you have to click on this drop down next to View By, then select Large Icons. Now from here, you have to head towards this Network and Sharing Center, click on it. Here, now you'll have an option to set up a new connection or network, click on it. From these options here, head over to the third option that is manually connect to a wireless network. Click on it, click on Next button. Now you have to add information for the wireless network that you want to add. First of all, provide your network name. Under that, you have to choose your security type. Under that, there's an option to add your password. So security key means that you have to add your password. Make sure you type in the correct password. Once you're done with that, you can check in the checkbox that says connect even if the network is not broadcasting. Once done, click on Next. After that, click on Close. Once you have set up your wireless network manually from here, now if you head back to your taskbar, click on your network icon at the bottom right corner. On this section where you have this wireless or Wi-Fi connection, you can click on this drop down and here you will find your added network. There you have an option to connect it. Click on Connect button and with that, your Wi-Fi connection is now connected successfully. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.